What's up, everybody? It's a nice sunny day here. Still nice weather though. I'll take this weather still over this windy weather over the heat. The only thing bad about wind is that it pushes my bike back. Oh shoot! Okay. Okay, now I cross the street. I'm gonna try something real quick. I wanted to try this real quick since I think I have time. I'm gonna see if this works. Just like the thing I did for my bed. I'm gonna try zip tying my camera to my bike before it doesn't shake back and forth anymore. It would just be one of those things I do again, like my desk, how I just put the screw in and screw it on so I can use my camera on my bike. Let's see if this works. I think it's gonna work. Let's see. Real fast. Of course, it's a hassle getting off sometimes. This will probably be a hassle getting off. Come on, zip tie. Just give me some more slack. Give me some more slack. Thank you. Thank you. I don't want to hit the stop record button. Okay, let's get a little farther. I can tool this later. If I have an idea, I can just put it at an angle and perfect. It's just the way. It's just how am I gonna get it on the angle without some sort of support? I didn't bring my phone, right? I don't think so. Either way, I know it's in here. Let's see. Let me stick my thumb inside my bag real quick. I feel iPod. I feel iPod. Yep. And I feel battery pack. Phone. I'm always prepared. Yeah, I'm not gonna get to. I'm about 10 minutes for my. I'm about to have about 10 minutes to get to my appointment. It takes me about 5 minutes to get here when I'm paddling. Let's keep paddling. There we go. I remember there's some place I can probably zip tie this thing. I have another zip tie too, so if I need 2 zip ties, with 2 zip ties, I add double the time it takes to take it off. Let's see. That work? That might actually work. That's just really safe, unsafe right now. Okay. Let's go. Oh, okay. For you guys, I'm gonna go super fast and break a bunch of laws. I'm gonna go super fast and break a bunch of laws so I can have some time that I can use to figure this thing out. Fast mode. I just powered down my street in less than a minute. Almost there. I always feel like someone's gonna get something stolen when they have their garage open. And in this neighborhood, a lot of people's garages are open, no one's even inside. So, robbers, if you want to steal something, come to this place. I'm just kidding, don't come here. My dog will bite you. My dog will bite the crap out of you. Turn corner, fast speed. Jeez, okay. Whew. I'm not even sure what time it is. All I know is that it's about 5:20, which I wanted to do at 5:15. So something came out for a second, but I'm still gonna get there on time. Second to last day of the week. This is the second to last day of the week. This is gonna be good. Okay, I gotta figure out how to do the zip tying thing. Crap, oh no, I zip tie my hands together. I'm just kidding. How would I do that on a bike? I'm being crazy. It's like, I don't know. It's like trying to shoot yourself in the hand that you're holding the gun with. How would you do that? How would you shoot the hand you're holding the gun? Kids are playing sports. Side panel view. It's good to see. It's good to see that kids are getting outside still. I thought those kids were extinct. Okay. Okay, almost there. Let's check and see how much time I have to see if I have time to make up. Easy. Focus. Almost here. Hola. Thanks. I don't want to see my camera because you'll wonder what I'm doing. Ha! I hit my camera. I'm just kidding. Even if she watches the video, she's gonna find out anyway. Ah. What time is it anyway? Let me see. It's about 5 seconds, but I just want to see them. I want to make sure I'm not late. Oh, it's only 5:26. The heck? You have plenty of time. 4 minutes. Okay, let's see how I'm gonna do this. It's perfect. It's perfect right there. Hold still. Hold still. Dang it. It doesn't hold still. It just wants to keep falling. Come on, camera. All I need to do is get the zip tie tight and then I'll be good. There's always brake cables and stuff are all tight, making it super, super difficult. Oh my gosh. I know this works. I did my other one, so I know this works. It's not some sort of weird scientific thing I'm trying to do here. Okay. Hold on a second. I hope I don't hit the button again. I hate that. Let's see. Jeez. Will that work? Will that work? I can't tell. He's falling. Wait. I'll use the other zip tie to hold this zip tie up. I'll use the other zip tie to hold this zip tie up. No, it's pretty ghetto. Yeah. That works. Let's try riding my bike with it on. Gosh, I know you're not gonna fall. It's just I need you to stay level, please. Okay. I love zip ties. Let's see. Let's see. No. Let's see. You guys can see my chest. I have to kind of scoot back a little bit. I think that's why I wanted to kind of move it up. I kind of want to move it up. Right there. So I guess if you keep it there, that would be good.